Good morning. So this is this Somme Delta. We came from there. Maybe something will dry now. I'm not in a hurry as long as the sun shines. I wanted to make 130 kilometers today to Lille, or close to it. That would be nice. Then in the evening there will be thunderstorms, so I'm thinking of taking a hotel in Lille, near Lille, depending how far I get. All right, heading north. Bonjour. Oh, haute butte. Emballage et papier. Ben, c'est tous des emballages. Yes. Bye bye. I can't be picky there. These are wooden ducks. He explained that to me, the hunter, that the other ducks flying over, they see the wooden ducks, they think, oh, we joined them for a little chat. Yeah, and the rest you can imagine. Boucherie. It's some kind of national reserve, this forest. Ça va? C'est bon? Ooh. I haven't really planned this part of the tour, so it's very new, but nice. So I was in a Lidl buying lunch, a late lunch. You're going down again and repeat, but there's only 2 more climbs on the Garmin. Gives mean climb at 30 degrees. There are thunderstorms coming up, some no sleeping outside today. Two kilometers out of the hotel. And I like the first one better in Évreux, but it's how it is. So we are in Bethune. But this is kind of nice, isn't it? That was a good idea. Row! Row! Just closed the road over there for constructions without any announcement. So I have to find a way around. Ah! Merci, merci. Merci. Ciao. What is that? Look at the idiot. Stressed idiot. Oh. We are not far from Lille now, because now the wind is totally still around me. It's hot. Now we take care again. And we That's a cycling bridge. Ooh. This is the citadel. Oh, I really would like to stroll around a little bit longer. Hey. Up. Up. No. So, this is Lille train station. Belgium is like a few kilometers out. The wrong side wind. We could be in Belgium now. Oh, they have also Intermarché in Belgium. So, Turkey. Oh, this is worse than Paris-Roubaix. Ooh. Ooh. And don't ask me for the name of this canal, river, whatever. These are the outskirts of, what was the name? Tokai? I forgot it. Here you could make a good zombie movie. Are there fish in this little pond? So the condition here is really limiting my speed. Serious rain. route dégradée, on peut dire. It's raining again. I'm following the rain. Oh, that is not much protection, this one. Yes, yes, yes. Oh man, that was a mean one. Yeah. I should have crossed the steel bridge or a footbridge. Je savais pas que c'était fermé là, cette
Oui,
pont.
il était abattu.
Ah, c'est vrai, il n'est plus là.
Je vais vous faire en photo. On aime bien le vélo.
Oh oui, bien sûr. I found a place. And then morning sun will be over there, but high trees, so morning sun at 10 o'clock. So now I prepare everything I need to eat and sleep, and I won't stay long here. Look at this. It doesn't charge, and that's... Ah, man, this is hell.